In the quiet hush of dawn, the lotus flower slowly opens its petals, rising from the depths of muddy water to greet the sunlight above. In the same way, the Buddha's teachings invite us to rise above suffering and discover peace within ourselves. Welcome to Shining Lotus. Today, we are exploring the Four Noble Truths, very heart of Buddhism, and a gentle guide to understanding life's challenges and how to overcome them. The first noble truth. The first noble truth tells us there is suffering in life. We feel it in sorrow, loss, fear, and longing. Even moments of joy pass away, leaving a quiet ache for something lasting. This truth doesn't mean life is only sorrow, with an invitation to see things as they truly are, without turning away. The second noble truth. The second noble truth teaches that suffering has a cause. It blossoms from craving, from our desire for things to stay the same or to always feel good or to be someone we're not. This craving creates tension in the heart, like a lotus pulled down by heavy mud. The third noble truth. The third noble truth is a gentle promise. There is an end to suffering. Just as the lotus breaks through the mud and blooms toward the sun, we too can rise above suffering and find freedom. Peace, joy, and wisdom await those who let go of craving and embrace the present moment. The fourth noble truth. The fourth noble truth shows the path to freedom. The Noble Eightfold Path is a way of living rooted in wisdom, ethical action, and mental clarity. Right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. Step by step, this path leads us from confusion to clarity, from suffering to awakening. These four noble truths are simple yet profound. They remind us that life's struggles are universal, but so is the possibility of peace. May your path unfold gently, like the shining lotus blooming on still waters. Thank you for joining me today on Shining Lotus. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Buddhist wisdom, meditations, and mindful living practices. Let your inner light shine.